Just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my. Just want you to. 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 Just want you to focus on my life. Just want you to. Just want you to.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's the Tastemaker and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, I have Papa in the background. He's my little cameo today. But yeah, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a 360 lace frontal ponytail. This is my first time doing it. Although I did a previous video, but I had a Gucci headband on and I kind of cheated. This video is sponsored by Lumiere Hair. So thank you guys for going ahead and sending over this wig. I really love it so far. I definitely see myself wearing my hair like this more often. I do need some help in the back of my hair, but luckily my hair is long enough so that it covers up the back, like the part that I really don't want people to see. So if you do want to wear your hair like this and you're not like a professional like me, like I'm not a professional when it comes to doing the 360 ponytails, this is literally my first time doing it, and I'm pretty sure like over time, just like anything, the more you do it, the better you'll become. So I'm pretty much showing you guys in this video how I laid down my 360 wig. It was very difficult. I'm not even gonna sit here and lie to you guys. Like it took several tries just to get it into a decent ponytail, like, and then it's still not even perfect. Cause I was like, look, at first like the ponytail was too far back, then I couldn't get it up high enough, and girl, it was just, you know, it is what it is. So now that we have all of that out of the way, let's go ahead and get into this hair tutorial. What's up, y'all? I know I'm looking a little different because I don't have no makeup on right now. But anyway, so I got some new hair. I got some hair from Lumiere Hair. So I got a 360 wig today, y'all. So I'm gonna do a ponytail. I haven't done a ponytail in a minute. Inside the package, they gave me this wig cap that is way too dark. This wig cap is darker than my skin, so you already know it's not gonna act as a scalp for me. So the wig comes in this little plastic bag. So we got 24 inches. You got the body wave. Woo woo wop. So yeah, it's a 360 lace front wig. So 360 means that you can put it in a ponytail. So that's exactly what we'll be doing today. The hair does come in a net. I'm just taking that off right now. And this is the wig. It looks so nice. And off top, the hair is very full. That's one thing that I am noticing. This wig is very full and it's soft, or at least it feels full right there. It has a little stuff and we can take that out. So here is the wig. This is the lace on the wig. So this is the back portion. The comb is like right here. So you really just have straps in the back. Now, I don't know how this wig is gonna look in the back of my head. So that's the only thing that I'm kind of like worried about, because yeah. And I'm not using any Ghost Bond, any lace glue or anything like that. I'm just gonna be using my Got to Be Glued spray and hoping that it works. I think it should work. I don't think it should be a problem. So yeah, where you get your helmet from? Girl, this one, shoot, you know, Amazon. Lord, like look at this. This is like, oh my God, I wanna laugh so hard. But anyway, here's the hair with the body wave texture. You know, all this wave and all this stuff is about to come out anyway. It's not finna stay like this at all. So yeah, it's a pretty deep part. So, you know, we have a lot of parting space. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead, pluck the frontal, bleach it, and then when I come back, we're just gonna have the wig on already, okay? My skin is looking so good though, honestly, if I do say so myself. Okay, you guys, so here we are. I have my lighting together. So what I've done, I pretty much bleached the wig. I put makeup on the lace. I adjusted the straps here in the back, so we got a little adjustment there. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and put the wig on with you guys. I don't think that I've ever really applied a 360 wig on here, although I did a review on one. So here is what the front half is looking like. So I am gonna pull it back just a little bit, and I'm gonna be using my Got to Be Glued spray. And I also need an applicator brush, so I will grab that real quick. Okay, so I got my applicator brush now, and I have like a little summertime 70s kind of vibe going on with my whole outfit, but you know, that's neither here nor there. So I did Just kind of push everything back. I need to go get Papa. His little butt, he always running out somewhere.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else knows what you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me to love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's truly. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus, focus. I just want you to focus. Pull me in, pull me closer. Give me that diagnosis. Blow my mind like explosions. Just one touch leaves me helpless. On repeat like it's endless. Bedsheets turn to a white dress. Looks so good, damn you did this, yeah. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my. Just want you to. 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 Just want you to focus on my life. Just want you to. 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 Just want you to focus on my life. Just want you to. Just want you to focus. Better keep your composure like you tryna earn that diploma. Do it over and over, yeah. Make it pop Coca-Cola. Hot Barcelona, but she's turned to a white dress. I suck up when I'm naked, yeah. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my. Just focus on my. Just focus on my. Just want you to. 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 Just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my love. to, just want you 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 to focus on my love, just focus on my, just want you to. 100% of your attention, 100% so I'm in heaven, 100% of your attention. Keep watching my eyes, want you to realize 100% of your attention, 100%.
So yeah, you guys, I hope you guys really enjoyed this hair tutorial and had fun with me creating this, you know, little ponytail with a 360 wig unit. I do like this ponytail. I would just say that I just wish I had somebody to help me, you know, with like really perfecting like the back and the sides or whatever. But I think I did pretty good for this to be just like my first time and then just trying it out myself. So once again, this hair, it was sent to me from Lumiere Hair. I absolutely love this. Oh, look, I got my color. Yes, finally. I never get my color on camera. Let me pull this to the side. So yeah, the hair is from Lumiere Hair. I absolutely love this. This hair is really soft. It's luscious, it's long. I love how it curls. Because it's body wave, these curls are gonna really last a long time, at least a couple days before they start to like fall and get like, you know, ugly or whatever. Whipping my ponytail. I absolutely love it. I see my little outfit with my little ponytail, right? Like, isn't this cute? What's that, Pop? What you think? Cute. So yeah, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. So I did want to give you guys a little bit of my opinion on the hair before I left, because I feel like there's a lot of pros and cons and things like that that people don't really talk about. I love the concept of a 360 lace front wig because of its versatility. You can definitely wear your hair in many different styles. You can wear it up in a high ponytail. You can wear it as a side ponytail. You can put your hair down the middle and wear it straight. You can do it off to the side. You can do a half up, half down. You can pretty much do any and every style that there is. The only thing that I'm currently having a problem with is just trying to worry about the back part of their hair. And I know a lot of people don't show the back part of their hair when they do these videos, and I can completely see why they don't, because if you're doing it by yourself at home, unless you are just like a professional, 9 times out of 10 the back of your hair is going to be looking crazy. The thing that I don't like about these 360 wigs is the fact that the comb is in the middle part. Like the comb that I would use to, like, you know, hook to the very base of my head, that part is a lot further up, and what's actually adhering the wig in the back is the adjustable strap. So I crisscross them so that it can be tight in the back, but the only problem with that is that it's like bulky, like it's like an opening, you know. Like, I want to show y'all, but I'm kind of embarrassed to show y'all for real, but I'm gonna just show y'all because I gotta keep it G. Okay, so this is what I mean. Because I have to have it crisscrossed, and I have to put my head down so you guys can see, but because I have it crisscrossed, you see how it has like this opening? Because I have it crisscrossed. So if I can get like a bobby pin or something, then I would possibly like bobby pin that part down. But the reason why it doesn't matter as much is because the hair is long. Now if your ponytail was shorter, then it would really be a problem, but because my ponytail is long, you can't really see that. But then the other issue that I have is my side. So like this, I mean, y'all probably could barely see, but like this part right here, I'm not really a big fan of that. That you can see that, this right here. So that's why I have my hair like this, so that, you know, I have this part down, this part covers, you know, this side, then I have a piece in the back that's like covering up the back, and then like this. So, you know, it's not that terrible or anything like that, but I would suggest maybe if you are to wear your hair like this, and just make sure you have somebody that can help you, so that way you can, you know, put it on right, like as far as like the back part. And then obviously, you know, you don't have to wear it like that. You can put your hair in like a cute little bun, like if you want all your hair out your way. But if you wear your hair like this, the rest of your hair, like in the back and the side, girl, it better be secure. Your hair better be right, okay? You cannot wear your hair up like this if your hair ain't right in the back. Let me take it down. I'm gonna take my ponytail out for y'all too. Ooh, Lord. if I can. Okay. Alright, so I'm taking my ponytail down for y'all. So yeah, if you wanted to, shoot, you know what I'm saying? Let's see what we can do. Nothing. We're gonna have a big old dent in our hair. But yeah, absolutely love the hair though. Minus the little dent that I have now. It's just really good quality hair. Ooh. So yeah, I'm just playing around with my hair right now. But that's what I'm saying, like you can wear your hair any kind of way. If you don't want to wear it in a ponytail, you can take your hair down. You can still be sexy, you know. Obviously you guys saw like how thick the hairline was. I would say that's probably like another like thing about the wig, but you can obviously get this in like a different density. But yeah, like even like this, like I can like quickly go in and just change like maybe this part of my hair and like have like a really pretty curled look. But yeah, I just really wanted to show you guys the versatility with this hair. You don't have to wear it in a ponytail if you didn't want to. You can totally wear it down. And then this is where it's like landing on me curled and kind of weird and hairspray and all this stuff. So if you guys like this wig, definitely check out the description box. I will have a direct link to the wig along with some discount codes and Lumiere's website. Shipping information will also be listed down below. I know a lot of you guys are like, what is the shipping like? What is the shipping like? The reason why I kind of stopped talking about shipping in my videos is just because the shipping time for me may be different for the average consumer, considering the fact that I'm a YouTuber and the hair is sent to me to review. So they may send my hair a lot quicker than they would send the average order. So yeah, you guys, thanks so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.